Hi guys, so this is the second tutorial for C++. What we're going to go through is we're just going to talk about how this program and C++ actually works and functions. Now, firstly up the top we've got a precursor which needs to have a hashtag and include, in this case, then in here we've got IOStream. Now, IOStream stands for input, output, stream, and using the namespace standard. Now, many commands are in the standard format and all that, and one of them is cout. Now, we're going to go into just a little bit of detail here. Now, cout is just the main thing that says we're going to output something. And in this case, we're outputting, we're telling it we're going to output something. This is a line, this is just saying that that's the end of this command, and we're moving on to whatever's in here. And as we've got here, we've got hello world in double quotation marks, which means that it's a string that will be just put out on screen. Now we're ending this little part here, and then we're moving on to end ul. So this is not a 1, it's an ul. This says that it's going to end the line. And with the semicolon, our programming line is done. This will end the line in the program. This will end the line in the code. Now, I'll put a nice little comment over here. Now, double / marks means comment. And as you can see, I print out hello world. That's what this is telling me. Now when we've got return 0, we're saying that this value, if everything ran correctly, we want you to return 0. Not that hard to understand, but if you were to have some error or something, or it didn't run correctly, it wouldn't return 0. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to run this. There we go, it's got hello world, process returned 0, execution time 2 seconds, and press any key to continue. Now, if I were to change this to, I'm going to change it to a bit more of a better number, 23, and we run it, there we go, process returned 23. So it returned what we were expecting, but it's always better to use 0. And yes, as we run it again, we're back to 0. Now, just remember, I've been looking to find out what these are actually called and if there's any special process to it, but basically there isn't really. Well, not that I was able to find, but we're saying that we're going to output something, and on the other side here we're telling it that we're going to output whatever's in this, or whatever this is, but because it's double quotation marks, it knows we're going to only output the stuff that's on the inside of it, because it's a string. Then we're going to end this little thing, and then we're going to end the line. Now, if we get rid of these and try to run the program, it tells us that there's an error. They were expecting something like this before, and if we run this, we're still struggling. Yep, it's still not picking up the right thing because it's expecting another C output. So what we need to do is these lines here say that this is the end of the string, and on the other side we're getting another command. We're getting told something, the computer's being told what to do, and in this case it's telling it to end the line. And I'll just show you just a very brief one. Cout, line not end. Now, if we get rid of this little thing, oops, don't know what I did then, get rid of this little thing, it will run, but we won't have the line ended. well, the line won't end. Sorry about that. That was a bit of a weird word. There we go. Hello world, line not end is now on a second line because I got the end line in. So that was it for this tutorial. Sorry about the length. I'll try to keep these short and expand on stuff in optional videos that will be labelled as optional, just to basically extend your knowledge rather than just get your basic understanding of it. So anyway, I'll see you guys next time, and good luck. Like and subscribe if you can, and enjoy yourselves.